Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 10.1.1. A, B, and C are the three events. The probabilities of these events, or any combination of them, occurring is given in the Venn diagram below. So we have event A, event B, and event C. And then these are the probabilities. If it is given that the probability that at least one of these events will occur is 0.893, calculate the value of y. The probability that none of the events will occur. So the probability of at least one event occurring, and then the probability of none of the events occurring are complementary events, meaning that the probability not occurring is equal to 1 minus probability of at least one occurring. But let me just write occurring here. But this means at least one occurring. If you look at the Venn diagram, this part, we have at least one occurring here. At least one occurring means one or more. So here we have one event, which is A. We have one event there, which is C. We have one event there, which is B. Okay. And then we have two events there, which is A and B. We have two events here, which is A and C. We have two events here, which is B and C. And then we have all the three events here. So we add all these. The probability of at least one occurring, we add all this. So probability of not occurring, which is y. So y is equal to 1 minus 0.893. Right. There's no need to add because already it's given. We know that if we add all these plus these plus these plus these plus these plus this plus this, we'll get 0.893. So the probability of y is equal to 0.107.